What's good, everybody, man? It's honest, man. Here it must invest. And today, we got another good topic for you. I always keep that combo with my people, man. It don't matter what background you come from, man. I'm here to give you a little bit of sauce so you can whip your own pot, man. This shit right here is free game. You could look it up, but it's honest giving it to you. And today, we're gonna be talking about a lot of signals going on, man. You could do your research, man. Go look at it and come back and tell me what you got going on. You know what I'm saying? But just because I say it, don't mean it's true. This is not financial advice. This is just what I'm seeing in the market. And a lot of people, when they see me out in the streets, they see me in my pretty ass Lambo, they see me in the pretty ass truck. They're like, hey, give me some game. So now I got some game for you, man. Because remember, together we can build wealth. This is one of the only things that we could do together that we can't hate on each other for. You know what I'm saying? You can't be on my block buying crypto. You helping me, man. You know what I'm saying? So here, let's get this shit together, man. And together, we gonna get financial freedom, man. You know what I'm saying? And I'm trying to let y'all know right now, the signals are everywhere. Right now in 2026, every single warning light is flashing red. Right now, man. As far as investing. So if you got some bags, don't sell them, but just know it's time to buy some more, man. The stock market is sitting near all-time highs. The S&P 500 crossed 6,900 and everything else looks great on the surface. But here is what they not telling you. The Buffett Indicator. And I know we talked about this last time, the Buffett Indicator, which measures the total value of the stock market compared to how much money America actually produces. How much money does America all in one make in profit? And right now it's sitting between 215 and 228% right now. This is the second highest reading in 150 years of the market history. One more time. The Buffett Indicator is sitting between 215 and 228, which is the second highest reading in 150 years of market history. Warren Buffett himself said anything above 200% means you're playing with fire. We're not just at 200%, we're way past it. Now, here's what's important, and I need to reiterate this to you. This is what's important, and I want you to understand today, man. What the greatest investor alive is telling you something, you don't listen to what he says, you watch what he does. And if he's doing it, maybe you should follow what the smartest investor is doing, not what he's saying. Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway is currently sitting at around 373 billion in cash right now and treasury bills. And at Berkshire's annual meeting, Buffett sent a clear message. The current market pullback does not meet his threshold for action. He is still waiting. Think about what that means, man. The man who built his entire career on buying assets at great prices is still choosing to hold hundreds of billions in cash instead of buying stocks. This is not fear. This is patience. This is something that he's learned over decades of time. And patient money is smart money. The data shows the last time Buffett's cash hit record highs and major market correction followed, every single time. This is what I keep iterating to you. You need to do your research and find out what I'm talking about and see if it's actually fucking true. Because the bond market nobody is talking about is this. Now, let me tell you something most people in our community have never heard of: the bond market. Most people think bonds are boring, old people stuff, not exciting. But here's the truth: the bond market is 10 times bigger than the stock market. And right now, it is sending a signal that professional investors pay close attention to. What is it? When bond markets go up, it means the government has to pay more to borrow money. When that happens, big institutions start moving money out of stocks and into bonds because bonds start paying better with returns and less risk. Right now, we have elevated CAPE ratios sitting at 39.8. The most expensive reading since the height of the dot-com bubble. One more time. The ratio is sitting at 39.8, the most expensive reading since the height of the dot-com bubble in 2001. Historically, when CAPE exceeded 39 markets, averaged negative 4%. One more time. Did you hear this? Historically, when CAPE exceeded 39 markets, averaged negative 4% returns over 1 year and negative 20% over 2 years. This is not a small correction. This is real money being lost by people who were not prepared. Now, I need to talk to you something else that should hit home for a lot of people in our community, and that's the 401k. A lot of people think 401k is safe because their jobs handle it. They ain't got nothing to worry about. It's their jobs, so they don't look at it. They don't manage it. They just assume it's growing. But here's the truth that nobody's telling you. Studies show investors who try to time the market underperform by 3 to 5% annually, missing just the top best days in 20-year period cuts your return in half. The best days often follow the worst days. But here's the bigger problem. Most 401k plans put your money in a default mix that does not protect you during a crash. So when the market drops 30 or 40%, your retirement goes right with it. The system was not built for us. It was built for the people who already have wealth to protect. We need to understand these tools and use them on our terms. On our terms. The rich people will keep getting rich. The only reason why we're dumb and broke is because we don't understand and we don't establish what the rich people do and take fucking aim. We don't take action. And we need to take action and do what the rich people are doing. Red markets create opportunity. Before you panic, before you try to sell things because somebody got you scared like me, that's the wrong move. This is what the wealthy know that most people don't. Red markets are not the end. They're when the best assets are on sale. Think about it like this. If your favorite store had a 40% off sale, you wouldn't run away and be like, I'm not going to buy that bike. I'm not going to buy that PlayStation. No, you would run straight to it. That's exactly what smart investors do when they're thinking about market crashes. The US stock market has historically rebounded from every single dip and crash in history. Every bear market has eventually become a bull market. The people who got wealthy were not the ones who panicked, not the ones who sold. They were the ones that when the crash came, they were ready to buy and they had money to buy sitting on the side. This is why Buffett is sitting at $373 billion in cash right now. Not because he's scared, but because he's ready to make that fucking move. The 401k system is being tested. It's being tested right now. And I'm going to be real with you about something. The traditional retirement system, the 401k, the pension, the idea that you work 40 years and retire comfortably, that system is under pressure right now like it's never been before. Market concentration adds another layer to this risk, bro. The combination of elevated valuations, geopolitical uncertainty, the AI spending, AI taking your jobs has created a uniquely dangerous environment for traditional retirement accounts. For regular people trying to retire, for regular people who think they're just going to work their job, retire, and get a little money so they can live the rest of their life in fucking heaven, which is not happening anymore. The people who are going to be okay are not the ones who trusted the system blindly. They are the ones who built multiple streams, crypto, real assets, gold, silver, income producing investments like real estate. This is exactly why Built must invest. Because nobody was giving our community the real information that protects us. I made Must Invest so you can see what's really going on, so you can get the news firsthand, so you can invest, so you can watch your portfolio, so you can get the motherfucking news you can use, so you can utilize AI and get the right information and not the wrong information. We're not looking up ChatGPT just to wonder what color a whale is in the wintertime. We're not using Grok to figure out how to make porn. We're here to establish our families in this financial sector and make sure everybody eats, man. Stop waiting for a savior. I need to say this again. Nobody is coming to save you. Not the government, not your job, not a stimulus check, not a politician or a president. The people who are going to be okay on the other side of whatever's about to happen needs to take responsibility, because the financial future in you is happening right now. The biggest shift in generational wealth is happening right now. While we still have time to position this shit together. Market cycles repeat, man. They always have. And when analysts warn of potential market corrections, no official prediction confirms a crash in 2026. So don't just blindly think, but I'm just saying, looking at the data, looking at the history, looking at the history of the financial markets, just looking at it, looking at these rich motherfuckers and following what they do, listening to what they got to say, market cycles repeat. They always have, man. Warning signals are louder right now than they've ever been since 2007, before the housing crash in 2008. And the people who ignored them signals in 2007 lost everything, man. You have the information. Do what you want with it. Do what you want. I'm just here talking shit, man. Your plan to action, man, or your action plan is right now, man. This is the time to do it. This is what I want you to do after watching this video. Number one, go look up the Buffett Indicator. Google it. It's a live reading at whalequant.io. See for yourself. Don't take my word on it, okay? Do your own research. Number two, review your 401k if you got one. Review your assets. Review your retirement plan. Because everybody is going to need help after 50. Find out exactly where you are and where your money's invested. And if you don't understand what you're invested in, call your HR, call Honest, go on mustinvest.com, do something. Don't sit there with your hands under your ass. Number three, start building cash reserve. Start buying assets. It's never too late to start buying assets. It's never too late to start buying crypto. It's never too late. Never. But, you always need liquid ready, bro. Because you never know what's going to happen, man. You never know what's going to happen. When opportunity comes, you'll be ready if you got some liquid. Number four, diversify into real assets. Crypto, gold, silver, strong fundamentals, things that will be here in the future, things that actually do something. Not no wish by night, I put in 100, I hope it makes me 100 million. Into real assets. Number five, come to Must Invest, bro. I got a free training course for free. Absolutely free. I have a training course where you can learn about real estate, crypto, bonds, precious metals. Man, you can learn anything and everything under the sun. Credit, how to manipulate your credit, how to open up a business bank account. Anything and everything is at mustinvest.com, and it's absolutely free, man. A full financial education library. And if you want someone to work with, I'm one click away. All you got to do is click invest with me on the site, and we can build a strategy together, man. This is all that happens, man. This is on how serious you are, man. You know what I'm saying? And now, we done got through it all, man. I appreciate anybody who sat here and listened to me, man. I'm not here to scare you. I'm here to prepare you. I'm not here to scare you. I'm here to prepare you. The market's been warning us. Buffett's been warning us. The bond market has been warning us. The question is, are you listening? Because the people who listened in 2007 and 2008 came out of the crash wealthy, while everyone else was devastated by what they were buying. This can be you with time. Share this video with somebody you care about. Drop a comment and tell me what you're doing right now to prepare. Tell me what you're buying. And if you're not already part of the Must Investment community, go to mustinvest.com. Sign up today. It's completely free. I'm honest. Stay locked in. Let's build together. Peace.